Hello! Hi guys, it's Noel Michaels, and today we're going to do an activity. But first, I'd like you to take note of this website that I've been working on with great merch kind of stuff. It doesn't really say Noel Judd on it. It says Style and Peeps. That's my new website. And you just click designs and it will take you here. There are actually a few different stores. That's one of the stores. But anyway, I want to tell you that I've been doing some painting. And this is one little painting I did. And it transfers very nicely to the items in the website. This one is a tote bag and a mug. Might be a shirt. Take a look. And it says be kind on it. Yeah. And the way it looks in the picture and the way it comes out in the mug are very different. They really make it look good. Okay, I did another simple design. This one. And this one is made into items that say beach girl. Yeah, beach girl. And again, the colors and the way it looks is very good. I did work on one more painting, but I'll save that for the next video. I want to put those paintings way away. Do you know why, guys? Because we're going to try something new. We're going to try painting with a hairdryer. I've seen it, liquid paint that gets blown around with a hairdryer, and I wanted to do it in the kitchen, so I hung up a garbage bag. I hung it up, see? Like that. To give me a good space where we could work and not have a big mess, hopefully. And I have my paints lined up. Let's see what else I have here. I have a little cup. So I'm going to put, this is my plan. This is my plan, step one. Put some paint in, add a little water so it's liquidy. Then I'm going to pour it on the canvas and I'm going to blow it around with the hairdryer. Fingers crossed. Give us a blessing. Let's try it. So the first color I'm going to try, I think I should do something bright. I'm going to go for the orange, cadmium orange hue. And these are acrylic paints that I picked up probably 2 years ago. I had so many ideas I was going to do stuff and I didn't do anything. So now's the time, guys. Let's see. That's how much I'm putting in. I don't know. How do you measure paint, really? In inches? I don't know. Okay. Let's get some water from the sink. Okay, there's water in there now, and then I'll have to mix it. So I'm going to need something to mix with. I'm going to try using a knife. Let's see if I mix it, if it becomes a liquid color. Because it has to be able to move around. The way it is in the tube is a little too thick. You know what? I think I'm going to switch to a rounded knife, which would be back here. I have some plastic ones. Thanks to the airlines, I took my knives and forks and spoons home. I love these. They last forever. You can wash them in the dishwasher. All right, I'm trying to make it so there's no lumps because it seems like a little lumpy, but it's good and watery. I think this should work, guys. I don't see why not. Let's give it a try. So you won't be able to see my head when I point the camera down, but you know what? Let's take a look. Uh-oh, seems like a lot of lumps still. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, first, I have my hairdryer, but I found this. And I think this will concentrate the air better and give it a better movement. Let's see, I'm gonna hold it this way. That's my first try. If I have to, I'll switch it around. But I think this will be the best for now. And I'm going to put it on cool air. No need to dry it out while it's going. And right now it's off. I have a low and a high. We'll give those a try too and see what happens. There you go, guys. You're focused. I hope no paint flashes up on you. Flashes or splashes, one or the other. I've got these cans holding the paper. The plastic so it doesn't come down on the paint. Here we go. Let's give it a try. I think I'm going to try this in the very middle. Okay, there's the circle. Now let's go for the air. Let's see what happens. I'm going to try straight down first. Okay, now the quiz. What state is that? Maybe the state of confusion. There's some lumps in it, but I think it looks good. I think it gives it texture. And I think that light part in the middle will give me a good background to put a text on the item. Okay, next, I'm going to clean this out. I give it a little rinse. I'm going to go in with the paper towel to try to get out all the orange. And I don't know if I should let that dry or just keep going. I'm going to just keep going and see what happens. Oh, make sure the knife is clean too. Okay, knife is clean. There we go. All right, next color. I've got two different blues. And I've got a purple. Ooh. Purple. I think I'm going to try a blue, a bright blue. Going to put it into the cup. Okay. There we go. Let's clean this off. There we go. This is so exciting. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker than the last one. Okay, I think I did good with the water to get it thicker. Stir it around. Do you guys like crafts? Have you done anything lately? I know my friend Betty Ann Bettinger, who I grew up with, she loves crafts. She's very good at them. She's very talented. She makes bottles, covers bottles with different kinds of papers and then tops it off with a nice finish. I think she made one into a lamp. She's very talented. Okay. Okay, this one looks a little bit thicker. I'm going to try that. Oh, let me point you guys down. Okay, that looks like a smaller circle. And I learned from the last one, you have to go in pretty close. So let's see. that's not blowing out your hearing, that noise. I didn't think of that. Well, I tried covering the front part. I think you could see that to see if I could get more power, and it worked. The only problem is I got rid of an orange spike that was very interesting over there. So I got to learn how to steer the paint better to where I wanted to go. And it left a little space between the blue and the orange over here. I don't know what to do with that. Maybe I'll just put a dab of color with a brush. Let's see. Next color. I was thinking maybe to add green to the blue that's already in there and see what color I get. So here's the blue. Let's add some green. See what we get. Mix it around. A little water. It seems like it's just a more mellow green than that bright green that was in the tube. I'll show you the difference. The blue brought it down in excitement. See the difference? It's a little lower. Okay. So I'm going to put the green way down in the corner and then just push it up. And I'm going to try doing it a long shape. Let's see what happens there. You got to experiment, guys. Okay, here we go. It almost took off at one point. Did you see the canvas move? Yeah, but it's giving it a nice texture. It's getting this like little, like almost like topography. Topography, word of the day. A map that shows the different heights in the mountains. Okay. This time I'm going to go for this color. So I did have more plasticky things, but they're in the cabinet, which I can't get to. It's all taped up. I found another one of these. I try to save these. I also found a little medicine plastic. I put water in it already. And which color was I going to do? Oh, going to do the turquoise kind of color. Let's see. That's interesting. Okay, we'll clean off the knife. The residual paint. We'll give it a stir. Oh, it's splashing on me. I hope I don't end up with blue on my face. This cup. It's like leaking on me. I don't know. How did I get that on my hand? Oh, I know. It's got plastic pieces inside that's making the paint splash. This one's a lot looser. I don't know how that's gonna look, but we'll give it a try. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in this corner here. Oh, let's give it a show. Okay, here we go. Make sure my hands don't have paint on them. Okay. Well, that was interesting. It was thinner and it made a lot of more directions. But it totally took out the orange on that side. Okay. Let's do some purple. I love purple. What's the other plastic? Okay. Okay, I put the water in first. Let's do some purple. Got the knife. I told you this wasn't a recipe channel. Those of you who are watching, you'll understand what that means. Here we go. Okay. My plan for this is that this is going to be making a nice tote bag front. We'll see how that turns out, how it looks on the computer. Okay, we've got the purple. Let's put it on, guys. I'm going to move it upwards. I think that's it good. Okay, I've got some silver here, some silver paint. And I'm thinking that I might just leave this the way it is. The other thing is, a lot of the people, they put white paint underneath, which I forgot to do. So maybe the next one I'll try coating it with white paint first. Maybe it gives it more movement. And I'm feeling like I might want to do something with the silver, but not with the pouring and painting and blowing, pouring and blowing. I'm thinking I might want to do the spaces in between with the silver with either a brush or a sponge or something different. So for now, that's how it's going to look. I'm going to let it dry, guys. And in the next video, I will show you the results. And also, you can always check Style and Peeps Sweet Designs. Scroll down for the new things. Maybe I'll put it to the top. You never know where you're going to find it. There's lots of nice designs there now. I keep adding almost every day new things. And we'll see how this looks on a tote bag. What do you have any suggestions for the text that would go on the tote bag? I was thinking stuff. Simple stuff, because stuff goes in your bag. But if you think of any other nice text that I should put, something short and sweet, then put it in the comments and I will, maybe my stuff? I don't know. Could be anything. I could change it, of course. All right, guys, that's all for now. Oh, we've been on here over 20 minutes. That's way too long. Anyway, hope you have a good time with your paint and your hairdryer. And let's see what happens the next time I come back. This is Noelle Michaels. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a share. Give me a like. A like is a thumbs up, really. Yeah, get me a subscriber. That would be great. If not, whatever. Whatever, guys. I'll see you soon.